Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. Yesterday we have started a lesson related with sewage pollution, and you know that after new terminologies we always had storytelling. So today I will tell you this story. Basically it's a research report, so be careful and you have to listen it very carefully. Okay, sewage pollution, Himatya, Bhavalpur. Introduction. Open sewage and poor drainage system are major threat for human settlement around the globe. Majority of urban settlements still have no facilities for disposing the wastes generated. This study was conducted to document the impacts of wastewater on human health in Himatya, Bhavalpur. The disposal of domestic and industrial waste water is a serious problem. It is affecting the freshwater resources and human health. Main objectives of this study. Number 1, to investigate the impact of domestic sewage on the health. Number 2, to identify different causes of improper sewage conditions in study area. Number 3, to identify the different types of diseases caused by wastewater. Number 3, causes of sewage pollution. Following are few causes of sewage pollutions: improper management of sewage systems, floods overloading the sewage system, improper disposal of wastewater, commercial, industrial and residential, improper disposal of solid wastes, spills during transportation and handling. Number 4, effects of sewage water. Sewage water affects people in the following ways. Sewage water has microbial pollutants that often results in infectious diseases that affect both aquatic and terrestrial life. Industrial waste water often contains toxic compounds of several types that are dangerous to the aquatic life. Waterborne diseases. Microorganisms are major cause of waterborne diseases which are directly diffused when contaminated fresh water is used in preparing food. Few major diseases are explained here, like diarrhea, cholera, hepatitis and typhoid fever. Cholera is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholera. People become infected after eating food or drinking water that has been contaminated by the feces of infected persons. Diarrhea is a symptom of infection caused by microorganisms, most of which can be spread by contaminated water. It is more common when there is a shortage of clean water for drinking, cooking and cleaning. Hepatitis A and E viruses are both transmitted most often through contaminated water and from person to person. Hepatitis A can also be transmitted via food contaminated by infected food handlers, uncooked foods, or foods handled after cooking. Typhoid germs are passed in the feces and urine of infected people. People become infected after eating or drinking beverages that have been handled by a person who is infected, or by drinking water that has been contaminated by sewage containing the bacteria. Number 6, study area. The study area is Himatya, a slum located in southwestern side of Bhavalpur. The population of Hematia is about 20,000 according to the 1998 census. This settlement started with 1 or 2 houses and grew into a colony. Majority of the people living in this area are poor and belongs to the labor class. Hematia of Bahawalpur city was selected for study because of the sewage water problem critical in this area. A simple sampling technique was applied in study area. 50 inhabitants were selected for study on a random sample basis. Data was collected through questionnaires. Number 7. Research findings. Many cities of Pakistan are characterized by overcrowded housing, contaminated water supplies, and lack of proper sewage disposal, drainage, or waste collection, all of which contribute to an unhealthy urban environment. Residents of the area were not satisfied with sewage conditions. The main cause of sewage problem in the area was the open drain sewage lines. Due to the open drain sewage line, the wastewater overflows and creates unhygienic conditions. These problems are the result of poor planning of the concerned departments. Number 8. Maintenance of sewage system. The following remedies are suggested in order to maintain the sewage system. The Tehsil municipal administration should provide waste bins to the residents and regular garbage collection should be ensured. Sweepers should clean the streets regularly and remove the heaps of garbage. Sweepers should clean the sewage tanks and drains weekly. Sewage lines should be repaired immediately. People and concerning department can work together to resolve the problem. The greatest health risk in this area comes from unsafe drinking water and inadequate sanitation. Mostly people were suffering from diarrhea and cholera due to poor drinking water quality to the area and poor waste water disposal system. Residents of the area were also suffering from malaria due to the mosquitoes which live in the dirty water. Some people were suffering from different types of skin allergies. Conclusion. The municipal waste water management system in Hematia is not working properly. Residents of the area are not satisfied with the Tehsil municipal administration. The municipal waste water management system involves collection, transportation, storage, treatment and disposal of wastewater. 2 or more wastewater plants may be planted to reduce the problem as well as prevent water-borne disease in the area. So grade 5 students, this is a very interesting research about sewage pollution in Hematia, Bahawalpur. And after reading this chapter, we came to know about different kind of pollution and we came to know about the problems facing the people of Hematia. They are having different kind of diseases. So you know that we need to be very careful about our surroundings. Sewage pollution is very dangerous for any area. So students, tomorrow we will read this lesson again. So now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. So your home assignment is that you have to retell this story to your family members and you have to tell your family members and classmates the problems of the Hematia people who they are living there. So tomorrow inshallah we will read this lesson. So wait for tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.